Hey folks, thanks for stopping in. Big Mister here, and today we're going to be talking about something that's near and dear to my heart, something from my childhood. It's a side dish that's also very keto friendly. Before we get to that, I want to take a second to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel. We're up over 1,500 subscribers now, and I'm really happy about that. I'm really excited. The channel is growing, and I want to keep it growing. So let's continue to tell your friends about us. Invite them over, tell them about keto, tell them about the cooking that we do here, and let's talk about all the fun we have. Now, the side dish we're talking about today is cream spinach. That's right, cream spinach. Something that you've seen in steakhouses, things like that. But this is a side dish that my grandmother used to make for me. And like I said, it's near and dear to my heart. She did things a little differently though. My grandmother made it with canned spinach. That's right, canned spinach. Don't ask me why, I don't know. But I know that it doesn't work with fresh spinach or frozen spinach. I've tried, believe me. I say, oh, I can make this better. I'll use the fresh spinach and herbs and all. No, to get this right, you have to use the canned spinach. And it also has boiled eggs in it. So already a big departure from what you'll see at the normal steakhouse, things like that. But we're gonna put this together and we're gonna have a great side dish. So keep watching, let's get it on. The ingredients for making this cream spinach are really quite simple. You just need 2 cans of cut leaf spinach, 2 hard-boiled eggs, some heavy whipping cream. I use about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Let's get to cooking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add our spinach. You want to add it in, juice and all. 2 cans. We're doing that over medium-high heat. Just kind of get it all even down there in the water. Okay, once you get that spinach up to a boil, you want to turn it off and you want to drain it thoroughly. You want to press all the liquid out of it. I usually do mine in the colander, but any way you can do it, you can press it in the pot. Just make sure you get off as much liquid as possible. Okay, now that we have that drained, we're going to add in our butter. And you want to use a fork for this. And you want to kind of whip this in. You want to make sure that you kind of shred the spinach. It's all in little bits while your butter's melting. Whipping that in. Once you get that butter all melted in there, so got a little bit, but that's okay. That's when you want to add in your eggs. And you don't have to do anything special to chop them up because you're going to beat them in anyway. So just want to chop those all up in there. You can catch them. And again, you want to whip that in. Break the eggs up into little pieces. Okay, she got those all mixed in good. You want to lastly add our cream. Just because we're keto folks and we like it creamy. Whipping cream in there. Beat that in there. Add in our seasonings. And our pepper. And our salt. You know what I say, don't be adding those little dashes and stuff like that. You're going to season the whole pot. Be generous with your seasoning. And that's it. Cream spinach. I don't know if you like spinach or not, but this is really tasty. And it's an easy side dish for you to do. Check it out. So there you have it, folks. Cream spinach. Simple, easy, and keto friendly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I look forward to sharing some more with you. And remember to like, share, subscribe, tag all your friends on this, let them know about it, because we're going to be doing some great cooking on this channel. And thanks again for getting me to 1,500 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I love you all. Peace.